Mine was sitting while having a discussion with look on her face. She didn't want to look at the person who was sitting in front of her. He was taking so sweetly to her parents. She knew his stupid Sandy. He was mad and so in love with her ex-girlfriend when she was once best friend. She died in an accident and he couldn't get over it. Now Weinman's parents wanted her to marry him. She didn't want to marry the boy who was still in love with his ex while she was meeting him after so many years and didn't have to talk to him. Now he changed so much, but Wine still didn't like him. She thought that he always overrated over small things. He was such a dramatic man. His parents were sitting with him, not smiling. His parents were kind and she didn't know. Why do you agree? His father asked once. She looked at him and then to her parents. She literally had a small fight with her parents about sports match, um, but they were forcing her, but she didn't misbehave her parents. Then she said, yes, I agree. They were smart, but she wasn't happy. She remembered her friend's smiley face came in front of her. She entered her room and sat down on the bed and started crying. She liked someone else, but he wasn't rich as her. As for her parents forced her to marry him, she hardly her head and just cried. She didn't want to marry the love of her best friend. She made up her mind as to what she would do after marriage. Suddenly her cell phone started ringing. But why are you doing this to me? I'm sure it's because I'm doing this. Don't call me again. She cut the call and blocked him again and started crying. She hated to see Janko's face. She could feel the fakeness in his personality because they never had a good relationship in the past. She already disliked him, but now he was going to become her husband 1 week later. She was sitting so peacefully, but he came here for her face well after seeing him. He became happily entered. And her parents were so happy to see me. She was just staring at him. He sat in front of her. Her parents asked her, so what do you want, Janko? Mom asked me to bring wine for the wedding. Yes, wine, good taste. Her parents greeted her and he was looking at her silently. Why you have to go with me? I won't go without you. Her best like she's everything is stubborn, so she will go with you. She's just joking. She's always like this. He laughed and one looked at her and father glared at her. She sat back in anger. She was sitting peacefully and was staring at him. When he sat and she looked at him, he never changed. He heard the still same. She just smiled and you are also very well. Do you forget her face? Well, yes, it's been 5 years now. I'm okay. She nodded. You did good because it's useless to waste your life for someone who always wants to see happy. You know that. Look to me. Will you love me after marriage and take care of me? She didn't know what to say. She wanted to tell him that her marriage was first, but her parents wanted not to tell him, so she nodded yes. And you have to do the same. I bet she smiled and her face for her smile dropped. After 1 month, she sat down on the bed while taking off her shoes. He entered and looked at her. Are you changing? He asked her, do you need help? She looked at him. Thanks, but now I can do everything. Okay, she opened and was about to go by bathroom, but then he grabbed her hand. While he was helping her, and it was a good gesture, but one was feeling with his eyes but looking fake. She walked in the closet and I left her dress. She looked over closet floor and he sat down on the couch. Her heartbeat was so fast. She took a deep breath. She thought that he would never look at her, but was waving his eyes. She thought that she wouldn't touch him. And he called her, I'm coming. She changed her clothes and walked out. He was standing in front of her, heartbeat and graced. Why are you standing? Are you tired? We need to rest. She said and walked towards the bed. He looked at her. Okay, lay down. And she felt relief. He also laid down and her back was facing her. He was staring at her. She closed her eyes. I'm not sleeping. Talk to me. She looked at him and was feeling weird because he was behaving like that. He was such an idiot in the past. She looked at him and told me how you spent your college days. Man was so good. Tell me about yours. They were horrible. I was not mentally stable at that time. He nodded while they started talking about the past. He told her everything. He didn't hide anything from her. She started to feel like he did this change. She also told him everything. He said when she didn't want to tell him that she loved someone. She just listened to him. Felt like he needed someone to listen to him because it wasn't in his behavior. In the past, after that, she started to feel good around him. She didn't feel uncomfortable with him. He was so nice and never talked about Elise again. But she could feel like she loved her, but she didn't have a family because she also didn't love him. 1 month passed and everything was going well. Now she was sitting here while watching the movie. He came back and now she got up while smiling. He handed her the gift. It's a gift for you. She opened it and there was a beautiful earrings. He touched them into lights and one. Yes, this is so beautiful. He nodded and she was touching him, but she looked at her. It was looking he wanted a hug. He hugged him. Thank you, he smiled. And hugged her back tightly by putting her face in the neck. It feels so good to hug you. You are so warm. It's so comfortable. She nodded, patted his back, tried to break the egg slowly, but he broke the egg and kissed her cheek. Her jaw dropped. Let's eat dinner. She nodded, walked towards the dining table. The next day, Joanne came out and Eddie's parents were sitting. She was surprised to see them after so many years because they left after death. Her mother was smiling and hugged while Vanna had a good relationship with her parents. She broke the egg and Eddie's mom. It was good to see. It also feels good that Salman Jangu came out to get a bad relationship with her father. Her father didn't let him see her last time. He hated him and blamed Jangu for Alice that even put allegations on Jangu. That's why Jangu came and she unstable. He went smiling, got up after seeing me. He didn't want to meet her parents. Come, Janku, she suddenly walked towards them and met them. His face was blank, he didn't want to see her dad. They got up and went to know more Janku and her father fight. She didn't know how much trauma he gave her and Janku. It made him think that Janku was really and she really died because of him. Now Janku didn't want to look at him. They were at breakfast and night and the boat left. At night she lay down beside him. He was so quiet and she asked him that but he couldn't tell her yet, so she tried to sleep. She closed her eyes and fell asleep, but then in the middle of the night she woke up and saw him struggling to sleep. Janku, what happened? She switched off the lights and looked at him. Why and I didn't eat bad papers. I promise I didn't. What do you mean you said that? They blamed me, accused me of it. I didn't. She couldn't believe in her ears. She never thought about it. Accused her father. He said he would take me in prison. And then suddenly accused me in front of the whole college. They all called me and they called me different names. They did so many things to me. But my parents said me now he came back and again did the same. He couldn't do anything against you now. Because why didn't you tell me before? How dare he was shivering. Flashback by Alice Kilmer. She went with him for studies and came back. I believe that he's lying. You should be all with me. If she was your fallen angel, you'll have to put that behind the bus. All the students agreed with him and they were with him and didn't know about that because he was studying in another college. One was walking towards her house, but suddenly she saw him walking towards his house while covering his face. She told her eyes, and where are you like that? She suddenly stopped. And why are you asking? Because I want one. Why are you covering your face? What's wrong with you? And don't talk to me right at this. He ran away while saying that. The flashback ended, and all she understood why he was doing that. Why did he accuse? He was the reason he hated me. She nodded and he gave him a medicine. He again after. His eyes were closed. The trauma doesn't leave me alone. I stayed feeling as if they all wanted to. She was fighting his back and Blue still do the same. He came here just to tell me. Don't be afraid of it. You no one can never touch you. He noted it. But she was never imagined married. Not him seemed like he was so strong, but the trauma exiting from inside. He wasn't a weak but the trauma and only ate him. That's why he was so happy to marry because he believed that she could complete him. Now he was hugging her. The next day she was still again while he was sleeping. She was feeling so bad she didn't sleep the whole night. She was so worried the authority the man have to come to this. His house out there he threatened my husband because of him. Chang became like this. He was such a strong one, but just because of that fake scandal, all his confidence gone. He opened his eyes and she looked at him. She crushed his face and are you okay now? He nodded. She got up and ate something. I don't want to. But you have to because I'm saying he's small and noticed she wanted to make him happy. They all got up and she tried to. 1 week later, everything was going well. Mine was trying to understand against Mary's dad and how she was dating beautifully because Junk was better. She thought her Junk was never a bad guy. He was just depressed. She came out of the room and sat down beside her by putting his head on her shoulder. But she got up and walked towards the dining table at Sita. He felt like she was avoiding him. He got up and walked towards her and hugged her from behind, but she sat down on the chair and it felt like she started to hitting him. He sat down silently and didn't speak again. She came into the room and he was already lying. She came and told that he was resting, so she quickly lay beside him and started using her cell phone. After an open letter, he looked at her and she looked at him and do you also get tired of me? And me do you also believe in that? What do you think of this? Because you are the one supporting me. Why? She was shocked. Why would you think that? She put her hand on his face. I'm not avoiding. I thought that you needed a rest. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry. She hugged him. He hugged her back. I don't have anyone except you. Don't leave me. He said and she nodded. The relationship changed so much. She wanted to lie with ex. It made her change her feelings towards him. He was planted with that trauma. People humiliated and accused him someone he wasn't like that before. 1 month later, his father didn't do anything and everything was going well. Now she was sitting on the bed while he was hugging her at He always did that. She was using a zipper and he looked at her and just stayed at her. He looked at her and frowned. She was about to ask him, but he leaned towards her and the next day she woke up and looked at him happily. He was sleeping. She touched his face and he opened his eyes. Why are you touching me and stay away from me? He yanked her and Rosguna, what's wrong with you? Why are you saying this last night? He wanted me to. His eyes of what? Have you gone crazy? Have you Have you started dreaming about me? What's wrong with you? Why would I dream about it? You nearly said I respect legendary code and you're crazy. I don't love you. Many times do I have to tell you today. Still love you. So stop dreaming about me. Why it was for the business. I don't ever touch me again. How can you change in just one night? I'm always like this. I told you on our wedding night. She was shocked to see him like that. He changed and was waving so she got up and walked into the bathroom. She thought that he was pranking her. She got up and waited for him. He came out and he pranking him. She said, and man, what's wrong with just got out of my way and go to the psychiatrist. He walked her and shouting at her. She walked her behind him and they both ate minutes. She just stayed minute by minute to see if he was joking about but he wasn't. She didn't want to react, so she put her hand on his hand and what tell me about it this time as he again what she asked what which allegations? Why would he put allegations on me? Why are you talking about? No, it is not to is my business partner has very good relationship. We got literally going crazy. I don't know what you see in dream. Why are behaving like such a we are such a perfect couple. We are not. We hate each other in membership once. We just saw dreams, video, nothing was seen. After 1 year, I will give you divorce. But the contracts, yes, and if you don't want divorce and do something for me, that is shut your mouth and stop dreaming. He got up and grabbed his coat and away from me and stop doing this. Because I will not get impressed by him. She walked out. She was staring at him in shock. That means everything was dreaming, still that boy. She got up while going towards her room. She saw the frame of Ali was hanging on the wall. She was shocked to see it. If it frame was everything, it was also there. Her artwork after seeing her frame, she touched it and thoroughly fell down and got broken. She stepped back and then tried to clean the mess. So that means she was actually living in. All night, she just sat in tension. He came at night and he was so hungry. She got up after seeing me stare at for a minute to ignored her. He was about to go to the room, but then he saw the broken frame. He stopped and grabbed it. How did this get broken? He looked at her angrily and her expression changed. We're telling him to break it, huh? How dare you? Are always jealous of. I didn't mean it. Break it. It was natural. I didn't want to do that. No, you were always jealous of. He shouted, and she stepped back and he walked towards her and grabbed her hand. And you did finish, and he dragged her. She was trying hard to make him believe her, but he wasn't believing her. He locked her to business, knowing that she was afraid of dogs. She screamed, but he ignored all of them, and she just cried her lips in the corner. She hated him so much he wanted to throw the papers on his face and wanted to not wanted to see him again. She cried so much while calling, but didn't. The next day, she opened her eyes and saw him standing while waiting his watch. He looked at her and happy luncheon. I said, don't do that again. I will give you so much refreshments and that he was smiling, but she, after making my comments, her eyes were red and swollen, but she got up and grabbed his keys, castle, and after he was staring at her, I gave his watch and followed her. She came out of the room. I don't have a frame, and what are you doing? Stop it. He was trying to stop her, but he was trying. He was about to stop, but she grabbed his hand. Don't lose no relationship between us. I don't want to live with a disgusting man like you. She hung his and walked on. He followed, but she had made a decision. She had enough. Now they were sitting in the courtroom as if she waited to be touched by him. She wasn't looking at him, but his face was disgusted while he was telling her he wasn't. He was looking at her. Maybe he didn't want to do everything as he didn't want to lose his baby. He decided to. But she wasn't listening to me. Her palm woke up everything up. She looked at him. He was sleeping. Her forehead was sweaty. So it was just a dream. She said, she opened his eyes. What happened? He was not touching her face. She looked at him and wanted to yank his head. Did you see a bad dream? He asked her. I saw a bad dream. You were a bad person. She hugged him and even thought she wanted to push him, but it was just a bad dream. He kissed her head and later she was so good it was a dream. So like she looked at him. Do you have a frame? Suddenly, no. You're mad now. You can't do this. Okay, I won't do that. She hugged him tightly because she became happy because she didn't want to sing with her again. After 6 months, they both started club with her. She was happy that he was getting day by day. They were sitting and she kissed each other. She was beautiful. She just hugged him and suddenly someone called him and he sat down after listening the call. What happened? He put a good allegations on me. He said abruptly. Ellie's father, he nodded. He became sober, but she became again and ready to destroy me. Forgetting everything which she didn't care about, he was the dad of her best friend. The man was trying to destroy them mentally and physically, so one made up her mind. And within a week, she made his father apologize him. She was also in business. We had so much strong connection. Everything got great, and she was sitting while he was holding their baby.